Okay, we have look there. That's big. So, Steve and Chrissy, in the cage there, we will have some of the luwak animals, but don't think that we treat them bad, yeah, because this is protected, yeah. We're not allowed to hunting this animal. We only can keep them here to show tourists how this animal looks like. Only maximum 1 week, because we have so many free on the jungle, in the jungle, yeah. So here is the animal. Let's have a look. So here is the animal. It's called luwak coffee with some different colors. Not only this color. Some black, sometimes red, yeah. Sometimes dark color and gray color sometimes. But this is not die, yeah. Not dying. Not die or dying, but they are sleeping. It's normal at the time they sleeping. Active will be at night time.
Okay.
Yeah. Like this one, you see?
That's what.
Yes, because some people they think we treat them bad and pushing them eat coffee. Not like that. That is not good. Not right news. Yeah, because we know we protect them here. We respect earth, animal. We protect. We respect even trees, everything. Yeah. So all the animals sleeping now.
Then I wake up.
Yeah, I think it looks similar like me, lazy. Okay, and now we will have a look at the processing of the coffee, and the staff will explain you more detail about it. Yeah, this is some plantation of lavender. Yeah, papaya, turmeric, chili. This is vanilla tree. Yeah, vanilla. Because I need to explain you like this because some tourists they don't have in their country. This is a bee house. Yeah. Sometimes I have a customer like them. They are come from Philippines. I know.
Okay.
Be careful, yeah, with your step. Little bit only. Please make sure hang on the bamboo. This is ginseng, mimosa, and bokashi. Bokashi is similar like lemongrass, but different. I show you in the smell. Wait a minute. This is also normally very famous with the herbal drink or with to lotion, massage lotion. This is bokashi, natural, similar like lemongrass, but different smell. You see?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you see?
Oh, yeah, that's really.
This is for lotion, massage oil, or sometimes drink as well. Can. I mean, put in the tea. Some. Yeah.
Shower gels.
That's in your shower.
Nice.
It's a nice smell.
I use this bokashi for massage at home.
Oh yeah.
When I feel tired, my leg, my after traffic jam lots, I put the bokashi oil. Yeah. If you like, you can get the oil here. So all natural. So here is the coffee. Please wait here. I will call the staff to which one get free. Ingat, ada yang free?
Berapa?
2 orang Australia.
Apa?
2 orang. Sorry bosku. Aduh. Sorry. Iya, ini tamu saya. Okay. Too many people maybe. stuff less. Okay, please explain. Yeah.
Hello, good. How about you? Okay, now I'm stop located here. I would like to explain, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so start from here. In here also they have any kind of spices like for cooking.
Yes,
In here
yes.
also they have like pepper.
Yes,
This
yep.
is black pepper.
Yep.
In here also they have white pepper.
Yep.
In here also we have cinnamon.
Yep.
You want to smell it?
Cinnamon.
That's good. In here also we have clove.
Yep.
Clove also we use for making like a balm, like a clove balm. It's good like for headaches. We have black pepper. Here we have also white pepper. Turmeric. We have ginger and lemongrass.
We have galangal, ginger, turmeric, lemongrass. Yeah. And then we have
Here so we have galangal. You know galangal?
then we have this
Galangal is similar like ginger, like the same family,
Yeah.
but the taste is different. But in Bali, that's all we mix together between them. Galangal, aromatic ginger, turmeric,
Yeah.
like a similar powder, like
Oh, yeah.
This all we use for cooking.
Yeah. Yeah.
In here, so we have the skin and the fruit of the mangosteen. Do you know mangosteen? So in here, this we use from the skin of the fruit. This we use for making like a tea, like a herbal tea. Yeah, and this tea also is good for prevent cancer, control cholesterol.
Okay.
Yeah, and also later you can try.
Okay. I'll have to.
In here, so we have cacao. So this cacao for making chocolate. So this for making chocolate powder and chocolate bar, yeah? But this one is no smell because not processed. So
Yeah.
we need to process.
Yeah.
So in here,
Yeah. I'm fine.
your favorite. Later you can
Chop.
try.
Yeah. Chocolate. Yes.
Chocolate, and also we have like a chocolate bar.
Okay.
Like orange, vanilla, dark.
Yeah. Okay.
This one is the regular one, Bali coffee
Ada
from
imbir.
Arabica, Robusta, this we mix
Kurkuma,
together.
kurkuma, eta galangal,
Same, yeah?
galangal. Fokus na imbir, total news.
We have a special coffee, that's luwak coffee, that's coffee from the poop of the animal.
Yeah.
So the animal,
Yeah. Yeah. We saw.
this one is the poop look like, yeah? This one is before we wash, and this one is after we wash. So this finish we wash by hot water. So this we wash many times.
Yeah.
So and then we need to dry.
Yeah.
So until we kill the bacteria.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then finish we dry become like this. So that's the bean we need to remove the skin one by one. That's we do by hand. So that's the bean, and then we need to wash again, and we need to dry again. Yeah. So later, if you're interested to try luwak coffee, don't worry and don't think about the poop, because this coffee is clean already.
Okay.
And also that's the bean, so don't contact of the poop because they have a second shell.
Okay.
Watak is a
And then we need to process. So we need to roasting the bean.
buat tata. Nanti itu ada punches dia.
Oh.
Terus sama lah.
Okay, and then we need to process. So we need to roasting the bean. So she roasting coffee. That's for 1 kilo coffee. So she roasting around 45 minutes. So until the color become like this color. It's like a peanut.
You can follow me to try the food here.
Kilo 1 hour. 1 hour for 1 kilo coffee. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You can do. You can take picture or video.
Oh,
Or do picture. Yan, isi.
Oh, see. Oh. Hah? Antoro.
And then finish with pounding here. We do like 1 kilo, 1 hour. And then you can smell. And you can smell. And the last process, we need to sit in here. Wow. To get the powder.
Yeah.
So this like an instant coffee. You just take 1 teaspoon, put in the cup, and then put hot water. Yeah, that's it. Just for the rest, you put back again, and pounding again. Just keep going. Yeah. Okay. So maybe you want to roasting the coffee. You want to take some picture. You can sit here next to her.
For try, you want? Try, no problem.
No.
No, facing there, and you try roasting.
Oh, you roast it.
Yeah,
Turun.
yeah. Too hot?
Is that cacao in it?
Coffee.
It'll be a biscuit.
Chrissy, you want? One picture, maybe? For you?
Thank you.
Enough information in here. Now you can go up to try some coffee, tea, and hot chocolate.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Nice, look.
Ah,
And you? Oh, wait. And you too?
Yeah.
I'm once in Bali. By the way, you toilet first, right? Toilet, you know?
oh, go.
Later?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Di sana ada toilet ya? Oh, iya. Inside also have.
Yeah.
Gak ada buahnya kayaknya. Oh, this is small, still small. This one. This one I talk the salak.
Yeah.
Sometimes big ya, big like
Yeah.
this. Still small. Ya. Gimana rame? Tengkara. Saya kadang-kadang di sana yang di Lotundo. Tergantung tamunya, kalau ada trip Kintamani ya ke sini pasti gitu.
Terus
Ya, amin.
kerja ya,
Ya, itu yang penting.
pergi ya,
Hah?
sama bawa tamu maksudnya.
Oh gitu.
Maksudnya. Terus bawa tamu.
Iya.
Pesani.
Iyalah. Saya pelanggan setia
Ya,
dari
dari dulu
pertama kali
Dari-
buka.
kan Mas sama tamu kedinian ya.
Ya, Cina, Malaysia, Cina, Singapura itu dah yang paling banyak.
You wanna take picture here?
Maybe take some picture if you like. The jungle view and some rice paddy.
You want take picture together? Duduknya di mana ini?
Ini ada kosong
Nih, panas.
panas apa di sana?
Yang mana boleh?
This Bali cappuccino.
Huh?
Bali cappuccino.
What's Chino mean?
Itu slang word.
Chino.
Yeah.
Okay. Like okay.
Yeah. Situ. Yeah. Kan ini udah nih. Bisa dibersihin. Kopi Bali aja yang kental manis. Kental manis. Kental manis.
Kental manis.
Nah.
Berarti manis ya?
Mm-mm.
Kental manis, kayaknya ngerti kental manis.
Ya,
Kopi manis gitu.
ya kopi manis lah.
Ya buatin dulu ya.
Oke, terima kasih.
I thought Chino was an Indian name.
Ya, that's a slang word.
Yeah.
Slang word.
So it's like cappuccino. Yeah.
Puccino.
So, Chrissy and Steve, I
Yeah.
just want to explain you. They will give us a free tester of drinks.
Yeah.
They have like ginseng, and then coconut coffee,
Yeah.
and Bali coffee, and everything.
Yeah.
Vanilla coffee and tea as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they will give you one cup like that. You can share later. You can feel it. How is the taste? If you
Yeah.
like, it's mean why they give you tester.
Yeah.
Because maybe if you like some of them,
Yeah.
if you want interest to buy to bring back home, you
Yeah.
can buy in the store later after finish from here. But this is free, only except this one because luwak is limited coffee.
Yeah.
They give you 55,000 rupiah. It's mean around $5 Australian.
that's fine.
1 cup like this. If you like 1 cup can, or 1 cup for share for 2
Yeah.
person also can, up to you.
I think we'll try
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah, we'll try.
Yeah.
No problem, up to you.
1 cup each.
Later when the staff come here to bring the free tester one, you can request for 1 cup or 2 cup, up to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is optional
Yeah.
because this is
Didn't come
limited.
inside and not try.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. At least you know something new that in your country don't
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
So this we have coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. Yeah. So all of these you get free. That's for tasting. That's complimentary.
Yeah.
Except for the luwak coffee, special coffee. So if you're interested to try,
Yeah.
this
I
1
think.
cup. That's 55,000 rupiah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah,
So
we'll
I
get.
think we'll
We'll
get
get
one
2.
each. Yeah.
Okay. So all of this coffee and tea, I put according to the picture. That's for you to easily remember for you. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one lemongrass tea. This one is good for skin and slim body.
Yeah.
This one is a red rice tea. This one is good for bones and high calcium. And the rice also you can eat because the rice is already roasted.
Okay.
This one is ginger tea. This one is good for sore throat and stomach problem.
Yeah.
This one is rosella tea. This one is good for blood circulation. Hot chocolate. It's good for everything.
Yeah.
For happiness, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one saffron mixed with curcuma. This one is good for immune system.
Yeah.
This one mangosteen tea. This one is good for prevent cancer, control cholesterol.
Yeah.
This one is avocado coffee. Bali coffee mixed with avocado.
Okay.
This one is Bali coffee with no sugar.
Yeah.
This one is vanilla coffee. Coffee mixed with vanilla.
Yeah.
This one is mochaccino coffee. Bali coffee mixed with chocolate.
Yeah.
This one is coconut coffee. And the last one, ginseng coffee. This one is good for stamina energy.
Okay.
It's like a Red Bull.
Okay. Red Bull.
I think
Okay,
you
so
should
please-
buy lots of that.
So please enjoy your drink. You can
Yes.
start from the tea and then
Yeah.
coffee, yeah?
Okay.
So I will make it to luwak coffee. for you,
Okay.
yeah?
Excellent. Thank you.
And this one is driver coffee.
So for the
To make your driver balance driving. Not turn left and right, yeah?
Yes.
Straight.
Well, like
Yeah.
the way here.
Yeah.
So for the
Left,
luwak,
right,
we
side,
have Arabica and Robusta.
Yeah.
I give you one Arabica, one Robusta.
Yep.
Later you can compare.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Excellent.
So please enjoy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.